guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Siobhan and I am mum to one toddler. She is 20 months old and she is called Ava Rain. I'm also married to my husband Guy, who is a serving Royal Marine based down in Lympstone and currently has like 5 weeks off for leave, and I also work for Lush Cosmetics. I'm super excited this week, guys, because I get to share with you another gorgeous children's clothing boutique. This week we are talking about Bobbin and Ginger. So Bobbin and Ginger is a beautiful clothing boutique run by Bex. Now Bex is a mum of two gorgeous children, a 3-year-old and a 7-year-old. Oh my gosh, she's got her hands full, and she's also doing this on the side. So she is just like, I don't know, some sort of like magician lady. But she is also self-taught as well, which I think is just incredible. So I haven't even seen what's inside this order. I don't know what's in this bag. I literally yeah, this got picked up from the post office, last week I think it was. Yeah, we were on our way to Durham, that's right, and we picked it up on the way. So it's been sat here for a week now because I've been waiting to do this unboxing video for you guys, so I don't know what's in either. Just to let you guys know that Ava is also a brand rep for Bobbin and Ginger, Bex's first ever brand rep as well, so I'm super excited about this. It means a lot to us, so thank you so much, Bex. I am so excited to open this. So let's have a look at the packaging. It's come in this gorgeous floral packaging. Obviously I'm not going to show you my address, but I can show you that it's got a little sticker on it that says Happy Post. How cute is that? A little panda on it. So, and it's also got a return address on here as well. Oh my god, I still get mega excited. Okay, let's do this. It's quite weighty. I think there's a lot in here. Thank you so much, Bex, for sending this out as well, because we've not put an order in yet. So she has just made these clothes out of the kindness of her heart and she's sent them across to us. So thank you so much. Oh, okay, so we have, oh, it's nice. I like the colour. I love this blue. So it's all wrapped in tissue paper and we've got Bobbin and Ginger, the logo here on a nice little sticker. I don't want to rip the sticker now though. I'm a bit weird like that. What's hiding? Oh, oh, oh my god, I love it! Bex, oh my god, I love it! Oh my god, I love it! Look at this! Now she did show me, I think she put a post up on her Instagram. I can't remember if it was in her stories or whether it was in her on her actual grid. And I remember seeing this print. I remember like thinking, oh my gosh, Ava is just gonna look so cute. So this is a romper. This is Ava's first romper. She doesn't have many of these and she just looks amazing in them. So the print, guys, can you see this? So it's arrows, but they're all like in like turquoise and orange and purple. So I don't know whether you guys can actually see, but I'm going to do a flat lay for this one because this is beautiful. I'll do a flat lay for all of them, but this actually has like writing behind it. So it says like brave, courageous, strong, which is everything that Ava is. And all on the inside as well. It's like a baby blue on the inside. She looks so good in blue as well. Bex, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's just so soft as well. Like, oh, just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Bex. That is beautiful. Next up, oh my goodness. Right, can I just say, this one is going to look absolutely gorgeous in autumn and in winter. Look at the colours on this. So I kind of have my laptop light shining on it as well, so you guys can sort of pick up on the silver, but there's like little silver hairs, little rabbits, there's acorn leaves. Look at this. So it's a dress, guys. Sorry, I'm just not even like showing you what it is, I'm just showing you the fabric. So this is a dress and it's kind of got like a little bit of a swing to it as well. Just look at this. Oh gosh, it's so lovely. And she looks great in grey as well. Ava just pulls off any colour. Oh, it's just beautiful. So I hold it up like that. It's slightly longer at the back, so it's going to drape, it's going to come round. You'll be able to see it better when it's on her. Gorgeous, thank you. Oh, do you know, I'm just, oh, I feel so happy and feel so just, yeah, I just really appreciate all of the work that you're putting in, Bex, because it can't be easy juggling this and 2 kids at the same time. Cute little leggings. Sometimes it is just nice to have something nice and plain because you can pair it up with something really jazzy as well. So these are really cute like little leggings that we've got. Handmade in Yorkshire as well. Gorgeous. What else is hiding in here? Just like little tops and stuff, just little t-shirts for her. Do you know, I really don't even like mind either about the colours, because everyone always thinks that dark colours need to go on boys, and Ava literally just pulls off any colour. So I mean, especially this colour as well, because it's kind of her daddy's colour. And the thing is with these as well, because you have like plain tops and plain bottoms, you can then pair them up with something that's got like a really cool like bright pattern on it. So sometimes you just need to have something that's a little bit more kind of, yeah, a little bit more, I don't want to use the word plain, but a bit more kind of neutral. That's the word I want to use. Okay. Look at these. I am digging the harems at the minute, honestly. Look how lovely they are. So cute. Mustard. Like a mustard sunshine colour. Mustardy sunshine. Yes. Love these. So we are really digging these at the minute because Ava is obviously in cloth nappies. So when we are out sort of down the dell or in the house, we do cloth. So if she has these, it means that she's got that little bit of room for the bulky nappy, because they are a lot more bulkier than throwaway nappies. So yeah, there's lots of space in there. Ava has such a skinny waist, so these ones are probably going to be big on her, but that's great because she's got room to grow, and I just pull them right up to like her nipples practically. I love them. Thank you so much. That is amazing. Thank you. Bex, that's fab. I'm just blown away. That first one as well, that's like completely taken my breath away. And I completely forgot as well that I'd even spoken to you about the arrow fabric. This one's my favourite. My favourite! Love it! I can't wait to see her in this. And taking this one on holiday with us. Definitely. So I'm going to do some flat lays for you guys to be able to see Bex's work. And then I'm going to show you guys what the pieces look like on Ava herself. So enjoy. how cute does she look in those pieces? Just absolutely just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Bex. It's just lovely what you've sent across. I feel really, really chuffed with all of the pieces. So if you guys are interested in buying anything from Bobbin and Ginger, I will make sure that I drop the Etsy shop link below. Bex is also on Instagram and she's also on Facebook as well, so I will pop all those links underneath too. Bex is really, really flexible as well on orders, so if there is anything that you have seen in this video, or if there's any kind of fabric or style that you see on her website and you want it, then just give her a message and she can create it for you. Everything is made to order, so it's just very personal to you and it just makes it super, super special. If you have enjoyed watching this video, guys, then please give it a nice big thumbs up for me. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again soon.